Civilization is a term that describes the level of advancement and complexity of a society. From simple hunter-gatherer societies to advanced technological ones, civilization has been a driving force behind human progress. In the 1960s, astronomer and physicist Nikolai Kardashev proposed a system to classify civilizations based on their energy consumption. This system, known as the Kardashev scale, has 7 types of civilizations, each more advanced than the previous one. Type 1 civilization. A Type 1 civilization is one that is able to harness and control all the energy resources of its planet. This includes the ability to control the weather, the oceans, and geological phenomena. A Type 1 civilization would have a global government, a unified language, and a high level of technological development. It would be capable of interstellar communication and exploration. A Type 2 civilization is one that is able to harness and control all the energy resources of its star system. This includes the ability to construct a Dyson sphere, a hypothetical megastructure that would encircle a star and harvest its energy output. A Type 2 civilization would be capable of intergalactic communication and exploration. A Type 3 civilization is one that is able to harness and control all the energy resources of its galaxy. This includes the ability to harness the energy output of all the stars in its galaxy. A Type 3 civilization would be capable of intergalactic communication and exploration on a scale that is currently unimaginable to us. A Type 4 civilization is one that is able to harness and control all the energy resources of its universe. This includes the ability to harness the energy output of all the galaxies in the universe. A Type 4 civilization would be capable of manipulating space-time itself and could potentially travel through time. A Type 5 civilization is one that is able to harness and control all the energy resources of multiple universes. This includes the ability to access and manipulate the fabric of the multiverse. A Type 5 civilization would be capable of creating and destroying entire universes. A Type 6 civilization is one that is able to harness and control all the energy resources of all possible universes. This includes the ability to create and destroy entire multiverses. A Type 6 civilization would be beyond our comprehension. A Type 7 civilization is one that is able to transcend all physical laws and limitations of the multiverse. A Type 7 civilization would be omnipotent, omniscient, and omnipresent. It would be capable of creating and destroying entire realities at will. While the concept of these civilizations is purely theoretical, it raises interesting questions about the limits of human knowledge and technological advancement. As we continue to explore the universe and discover new technologies, we may one day be able to achieve a Type 1 civilization and beyond. However, whether we are capable of achieving such a level of advancement without destroying ourselves or the planet we inhabit remains to be seen. According to the Kardashev scale, the current level of human civilization is estimated to be around 0.7 to 0.8 on the scale. This means that we are not yet a Type 1 civilization, but we are close to achieving this level of technological advancement. One way to measure a civilization's progress towards becoming a Type 1 civilization is to look at its energy consumption. Based on this metric, some estimates suggest that humans will become a Type 1 civilization within the next few hundred years. However, it's important to note that becoming a Type 1 civilization requires much more than just harnessing all the energy resources of a planet. It also requires social, economic, and political structures that enable global cooperation and a shared vision for the future. Additionally, we must also develop sustainable technologies that do not harm the environment and allow us to coexist with other living beings on the planet. The idea of humans becoming a Type 7 civilization and controlling the entire multiverse may seem like science fiction, but it's a concept that has been explored by many scientists and futurists. The Kardashev scale, which measures a civilization's level of technological advancement based on its energy consumption, suggests that we have the potential to achieve such a level of development in the distant future. To become a Type 7 civilization, we would need to harness and control all the energy resources of all possible universes. This includes manipulating the fabric of the multiverse, accessing and creating new universes, and transcending all physical laws and limitations. While this may seem impossible to achieve, it's important to note that many technological advancements that were once considered impossible have been achieved in the past. One possible path to becoming a Type 7 civilization is through the development of artificial intelligence, AI. As AI continues to advance, it may eventually surpass human intelligence and lead to the creation of superintelligent machines. These machines could then work towards achieving the goals set by humans, including the goal of becoming a Type 7 civilization. Another potential avenue for achieving a Type 7 civilization is through the exploration of quantum mechanics and the nature of reality itself. Some theories suggest that the multiverse is a reality and that we could potentially access and manipulate it through quantum entanglement and other quantum phenomena. However, achieving a Type 7 civilization would not come without its challenges and risks. It's important to consider the ethical implications of such a level of technological advancement, including the potential for misuse and the impact on society and the environment. Additionally, the concept of a Type 7 civilization may be beyond our current understanding and may require a fundamental shift in our perception of reality and consciousness. In conclusion, the idea of humans becoming a Type 7 civilization and controlling the entire multiverse is a fascinating concept that raises many questions and challenges. While it may seem like a far-off and improbable goal, it's important to continue to explore the possibilities and implications of such a level of technological advancement. As we continue to advance and innovate, we may one day be able to achieve the seemingly impossible and reach a level of development beyond our wildest imaginations. Please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.